You can take different approaches to furniture design. You can create standalone furniture without placing it into a room, design a complex space based on CAD drawings, or use one of the most practical features of Easy Form Studio called Room. This feature lets you quickly create and place cabinets based on space dimensions. It is especially useful when designing kitchens with irregular shapes or with architectural obstacles such as pillars. Once you define your space, the application automatically calculates cabinet dimensions and building elements to fit perfectly. To use this feature, go to the EFS tab and open Room Properties. Enable the Show Room option. A room space will appear and you can start arranging your cabinets inside it. You can control the room with basic properties such as width, height, and depth. The room can include up to 5 pillars to represent obstacles: a left corner pillar, a right corner pillar, a center pillar, a left pillar, and a right pillar. For each pillar, you can adjust its dimensions, and for the center, left, and right pillars, you can also adjust their positions within the room. For attic or loft spaces, you can activate a hipped roof by selecting the hip roof option. This lets you define the center point of the roof and adjust the height of the slope. When planning, keep in mind that furniture must always be slightly smaller than the measured space to allow for installation. A good practice is to draw your room about 1 centimeter smaller than the actual dimensions, or by your standard clearance. This ensures that Blender's snapping features can be used effectively to position cabinets and calculate dimensions without errors. The result will be a perfect fit when the furniture is installed,